Hello, everyone. I think it is Teacher Mingjie again, and we are about to start our week 1 preparation lesson today. We will start at 5:30. So now it's 5:27. So you still have 3 minutes to prepare yourself. Do you have your pencil besides you, eraser? And don't forget that we have our handout today, right? So today's topics, once you see the questions, you will know it's a very classic topic again. We've gone through it many, many times. Hello, everyone. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so I can see some of your friends are joining the live stream now. Okay, that's good. So we will start in 3 minutes. Prepare yourself. As you can see, we have a chat box, right? So you can type in the chat box. Okay, if you can hear me clearly, you can type a 1 in the chat box. Okay, hello. Yep. If you can hear me clearly, you can type a 1 in the chat box. I think you all can hear me, right? Or you can type a hello. But if hello is too hard for you, you can type a number 1. All right. So we will start at 5:30. And today our topic is about comparison, right? So it's a classic topic again. Long time no see you guys. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. So now it's year 2026, and I think most of you have just went to school yesterday, right? How's your new primary school? Is that good? Oh, you all can hear me clearly. Good. Okay. So I think you love your new primary school, right? You meet new friends, and so starting from now, you will be a primary school students. So you will face more challenging math problems starting from now. So ready for it? Okay, last minute. Wait for your friends, and we will start. Last minute. Hello. Yeah, hello everyone. Happy New Year. Long time no see. Do you all miss Teacher Mingjie? Okay, I think now is 5:30, so we will start right now. Okay, so welcome back, everyone. So a very warm welcome for you to coming here at 5:30 sharply. So welcome back, and starting from now, you are primary students. So today's lesson is P1, it's no more K2. And Happy New Year, grow up 1 year old. So at first, let me introduce myself. So I am Teacher Mingjie. Okay, so I think most of you friends know me. You see me lots of times. Russell, hello. Yes. So I'm graduated for you from NUS, National University of Singapore. Anyone been there before? I think some of you been there, right? So, and my favorite subject is math. Do you all love math? I think everyone sitting here love math, right? Yes. Okay, all love math. Good, good, good. I want to see the same. I want to hear the same answer. Well, I'm asking you in the in-person class. And my favorite dessert is mango pomelo. Okay, so it's very good. So if you never tasted before, you can go to the restaurants, okay, or the dessert store with your parents. Okay, it's very good. Okay, and my favorite animal is cat. Who love cats? Type a 1. Who love dogs? Type a 2. Okay. Who love cats? You can give me a 1 in the chat box. Who love dogs? You can type a 2 in the chat box. Let me know. Okay, good. Wow, so many cat lovers. All right, so that's all about me. So next time when you see me in person, you can ask more about me, or you can introduce you to me in front of me. All right. So let's start our today's lesson. Before that, so I want to let you know is that For the whole January, we will have 4 live stream class. So today is the first lesson. So each lesson will be only 1 hour. All right. I think your daddy mommy has printed out the handouts for you. So every week we will use a new handouts and you will have homework as well. Okay. After today's lesson, you will have a 5 questions homework. Remember to finish it because you need to submit to teacher Minjie. I would let your daddy mommy know how to submit. All right. And after that, February will have some online mock exams and analysis. And lastly, in March, we'll have more online exams. And lastly, we have offline exams. Be prepared, okay? Listen to the January class careful, all right? So here is the WhatsApp group. You can scan the QR code. It's for your daddy and mommy. And the right side is my WeChat. All right, so without further ado, let's start our lessons. Okay, so today is our old topics again. I think most of you have learned it before. It's comparison and replacement. And I want to say it's very, very, very important in math competition. Why? Because every year, the questions will just appear multiple times, okay? So I will say, I guarantee 100% you will meet these questions in your math competition. 100%, okay, 100%. So listening carefully. So last time, can you hear teacher clearly, everyone? I think yes, right? I love Sasmo. Okay, good, because you all are answering me in the chat box. I think you can hear me clearly. Okay, good. So let's start with some easy questions. Okay, the simple questions. So what is shapes and equations? So basically comparison and replacements. It will be a shapes and equation questions like this. So as you can see, the fish here is our shapes. Okay, the fish here is our shapes. And there are two fish in the equation. So at this moment, the question will ask you, oh, what value that the fish represents? I want to ask you a question. Can two fish be two different number? For example, this fish be 5 and then this fish be 3? Yes or no, everybody? Can we do in that way, in this way? No, right? Definitely not. Okay, you can answer me in the chat box. Definitely not. Because they are the same shape. So you need to make sure that same shape represents the same value, same number. Okay. So 12 plus 2 fish equals to 20. If 12 plus 2 fish equals to 20, and I'm asking you each fish equals to how many? So this time you can just think, oh, 12 plus a number equals to 20. So I believe all of you are very smart, right? So if I give you 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1. What plus 12 equals to 20, everybody? 8 plus 12 equals to 20, very good. So it means 2 fish will just equals to 8. Then each fish will just be 4. That's very easy, right? That's the most easiest shapes in equation questions. Basically, I just use shapes to represent the numbers. A number is hiding behind the shapes. Okay, good job. That's easy, all right? I can just calculate directly. Okay, you all get answer. Good job. Then now, let's go to the next one. Let's level up a little bit. Just now, 2 fish are passing each other. But what if now I change it to an orange fish? And be careful with the sign. Fish plus the second fish. And what happened here? Am I still plusing? Everybody? Am I still plusing? No, this time no. I am minusing. Careful, okay? Sometimes the sign is plus, sometimes the sign is minus. This time, when I mark your paper of the exams, I can see a lot of your friends, okay, mistaken the sign. Some do the questions. The question asks you to do in plus, but some of your friends do in minus. Then definitely the answer will be wrong. So fish minus fish, can you tell me? What happened to these 2 fish? Are they still here? Are they still here? No, very good. The fish won't be here anymore, right? Because you plus a fish minus a fish means that these 2 fish will be cancelled. Okay, you plus one thing minus one thing, then it will be cancelled out. Okay, same numbers with opposite sign. So for example, if I give you a pencil, then I take away the pencil, will the pencil still belong to you? No, so nothing there, right? So you'll be cancelled out. So how many fish I left? I only left 1 fish. Very good. Then it's very clear that the fish will just be 25 because the right side is 25. Okay, good. Okay, after knowing that, careful about the sign. Okay, same objects, opposite sign, they will be cross out, cancel out. Continue. Let's even level up a little bit. For example, here is a seesaw. I believe you all play seesaw before, right? So let's say if the apple said, I'm leaving, what will happen to the seesaw? The heavy side will go down, right? It means that the right side will go down if the apple leaves because the left side become lighter. So if I don't want the seesaw going down, I want it still be balanced. What should I do? Very good. 25 is correct. Good job, everybody. Just now, right? So what should I do? I need to, very good, let the other apple, the other apple also need to go away. Very good. So for example, if that apple go, this apple also need to go, okay, to balance the seesaw. So it means I can just cancel the same shape at both sides. For example, if the left side have an apple, right side have an apple, if I take away both apples at the same time, the seesaw will still be balanced. So now let's look at the next questions. 3 blue fish equals to 30 plus the other blue fish. What will happen? What will happen? Very good. So just now we said we can directly calculate, right? But here, left side, I have a blue fish. Right side, I also have a blue fish. Can I just take them away at the same time? Can I just take them away at the same time? Yes, right. I can just take them away at the same time because just now we said left side, right side, remove the same thing, the seesaw will balance, same as your equation. So if I take away, bye-bye, blue fish, take away, bye-bye, blue fish, then there will be cross out. The seesaw still balance. So our equation become 2 blue fish equals to 30. Very good. 15 is correct. So 2 blue fish equals to 30. Then each blue fish will just be 15. Very good. I can just split the 30. Okay, each blue fish will be 15. Very good job. I can see the answer in the chat box. Good. So after knowing the basic things, basic rules in the shaping equation, now we need to do some real stuffs, real things coming up. So usually the question will be so kind. I will not just give you one equation and ask you the answer. Okay, for example, at here, the Superman pip is facing 2 equations. Equation 1, apple equals to 6. Equation 2, orange apple equals to 10. Can you all tell me, where should I start? Okay, I'm looking at the chat box. Where should I start? Equation 1 or equation 2? Oh, very good. Equation 1. Good job. Why should I start from equation 1? It's because in equation 1, I only have one type of shape. I only have apple. So it means that if 2 same apple equals to 3, then each apple will just be, or equals to 6, then each apple will just be 3. It's very obvious, right? So, but let's say if I want to start from equation 2, can you start? Do you know what is the orange, what is the apple? I don't know. So once you see a lot of equation, always start with the equation that only have one type of shape. After you know the apple is 3, okay, you can label all the apple as 3. So it's a very, very important habit. Later when you do the questions, once you know one shape, label all the same shape with the same number. So I know apple is 3, then teacher Mingxue will immediately label all the apple as 3. So if the apple is 3, then what is the orange? Orange is directly 7. Very good job. Directly 7. Good. So you guys are very smart, huh? Good job. So now let's proceed to learning 1. So take out your handout, everybody. Take out your handout and let's start. Okay, let's start. So learning 1, the first questions I will go through with you all, and the second questions you need to do it by yourself. Okay. So first things first. The seaweed plus the fish equals to 15. Oh, that's my equation 1. And 12 minus fish equals to 5. That's my equation 2. Can you all tell me where should I start? Where should I start? Should I start from equation 1 or equation 2? Equation 2. Good job. Okay, good. Equation 2. Because what? Because equation 2 only have one type of shape. I only have fish inside. which means that actually I can do calculation. So can you tell me what is the fish? Remember, it's minus the fish. 12 minus what number equals to 5? 12 minus 7. Very good. 12 minus 7 equals to 5. Then I immediately know all the pink fish is 7. Then I will label the pink fish as 7. After you label the pink fish as 7, what is the seaweed? Easy. Seaweed plus 7 equals to 15. So seaweed 8. Very good job. Seaweed 8. Good job. Seaweed is 8. Because 8 plus 7 equals to 15. Good job. And did you label down the numbers on the shape? Yes or no, everybody? Don't forget to label the shape label down the numbers on the shape. It's a very, very important habit. Later, if I have 3 or even 4 shapes, you will be messed up if you don't label them. All right, then the next one is also the same. Where should I start? Definitely, I should start with the second equation because second equation only have one type of shape. Okay, so 13 minus the red circle equals to 7. So what is the red circle, everybody? The red circle will be 6. Okay, the red circle will be 6. And after you know the red circle is 6, I will label all the red circle as 6. Okay, 6, 6, 6. So after that, do you know what is the green triangle? Yes, because green triangle plus 6 equals 10. So the green triangle will just be 4. Good job. Easy, right, everybody? So green triangle is 4 and red circle is 6. Good job. So basically, 2 main points. If you see multiple equation, always try to start. Okay, start from one type of shape. Okay, start from one type of shape. Start from one type. Okay, one type. Start from one. That's the key thing, key concept in the shapes equation. Okay, good job. So now try one. So I let you do it by yourself. I will give you 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, and later you can type the answer in the chat box, but don't type it right now. You try it by yourself. Okay, now it's 5:44. I give you 2 minutes. Time start right now. If you're done, you can give me a done in the chat box. If you finish, you can give me a finish or done in the chat box. D-O-N-E, done. How to spell done? D-O-N-E. Okay, if you finish, you can type a done in the chat box. All right, so be careful. Don't make calculation mistake, everybody. Don't make calculation mistake. Then teacher Mingjie will feel very pity for you if you make calculation mistake. All right, K, done. Okay, I saw a K, means done, I think. Okay, another done. Okay. Gabriel done. Wow, good. So careful the sign in front. Some are minus, some are plus. Done. Oh, so many done. Last minute. So if you don't know, also that's okay. If you feel hard, you can type a heart in the chat box. Okay, if you feel hard, teacher, I don't know what to do, you can type a heart in the chat box. Okay, done or hard? Okay, I think most of you done. So let's go through it one by one. So first things first. Okay, let's look at the left side first. Where should I start? Equation 1 or equation 2, everybody? Look at me, everybody. Equation 2, very good. So why? Because equation 2, I only have one type of shape, which is the pink square. So definitely, I know, 6 plus the square equals to 8. Then the square need to be 2. 6 plus 2 equals to 8. Then I will immediately label all the square as 2 to remind myself. Okay, after that, I will go to equation 1. Blue circle minus 2 equals to 9. So what is the blue circle? Remember, here is minus. Some of your friends will just say, oh, teacher, 7, because 7 plus 2 equals to 9. Nah, it's minus. So 1 minus 2 equals to 9. It should be more than 9, right? Should be 2 plus 9 equals to 11. 11 minus 2 equals to 9. Okay, so the blue circle is 11. Okay, correct? Are you all correct? Correct, type a 1 in the chat box. Correct, type in 1 in the chat box. Okay, then next part. Blue star, green triangle, blue star. So where should I start? Definitely, I start with the shape equation with only one type of shape. So I want to start from the first one. The blue star plus blue star equals to 8. Then the blue star will just be 4. Just split the 8 equally with 4. Then I will immediately label all the blue star as 4. Did you? And then after that, I can go for the green triangle. What plus 4 equals to 9? Oh, 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So I will go for green triangle of 5. Okay, good job, everybody. All correct, type a 1 in the chat box. All correct, type a 1 in the chat box. If you're all correct, okay, type a 1 so that teacher Minja knows. Wow, so many all correct. Okay, good job, good job, good job. Okay, happy. So until here, until try 1, still very easy, right? Because we always can find an equation that only have one type of shape. And smart as you, definitely you know what to do. Okay, so now let's continue. Another warm up. Let's look at these two things. I want to find the value of strawberry and the banana. However, guys, equation 1, equation 2, do I have any equation with only one type of shape? Yes or no, everyone? Do I have any equation with only one type of shape? No, leh. Hey, this time I don't have any equation with only one type of shape. The first equation, strawberry equals to banana. Hey, two shape. The second equation, strawberry plus banana equals to 18. Hey, also two shape. What should I do? Hey, anyone know what should I do? This time, teacher Mingjie need a helper, right, to help me. So at this moment, a new character coming, which is called a little helper. Do you still remember the little helper? Or you've already given back to me after the holiday. Okay, so I help you memorize it again. Little helper. Okay, so where should I use the little helper? Is when you find that the equation, you cannot find only one type of shape. And look at the first equation. Did you notice anything? Do I have any number inside? No number, right? The first equation, no number. Okay, let me write it down. No number. The second equation, I have an 18 inside. The first equation, I don't have any number, which means that 2 strawberry will just equals to 1 banana. Hey, it seems that I can replace them. Okay, so maybe I write an equation you don't know, so I change it to the seesaw. 2 strawberry equals to 1 banana. 1 banana plus 1 strawberry equals to 18. So who should be your little helper? Can you replace the banana? You see, the banana equals to 2 strawberry are here. Then what about this banana, everybody? What about this banana? Cross the banana, very good. What about this banana? This banana also, they are the same, right? So the banana in front at above equals to 2 strawberry. Then this banana also equals to 2 strawberry. I write a S, okay? 2 strawberry. Oh, so it means actually I can change it. Magic happen to 2 strawberry. Okay, because they are the same. So at here, our little helper is my banana. Because banana is very strong. You see, you can use 1 banana for 2 strawberry. So the strongest fruit is always your little helper. 1 banana, you can redeem 2 strawberry. So of course, banana is my little helper. Then I will just redeem all the banana into 2 strawberry. So same to the left side, okay? You can just cross the banana in the equation after you find the little helper and change it into 2 strawberry. So this time, how many strawberry equals to 18? 3 strawberry equals to 18, right? Then what is each strawberry representing? So this time you want to equally split 18 into 3 strawberry. Then I can just use 18 divided by 3. Okay, maybe some of you haven't learned the division. Okay, so in this sign means division. Okay, it means I split equally into 3 portions. 18 split into 3 portions, then equals to 6. Then each strawberry will just equals to 6. All right. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals to 18. So we know strawberry is 6. After you know strawberry is 6, then what about the banana? It's the same. I immediately label all the strawberry as 6. Then banana would just be 2 strawberry, which is 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Very good. Division. Okay, division. Okay, split 18 equally into 3 strawberry. All right. So now, after knowing that, you know, okay, if you have any equation, okay, let me erase here. If you have any equation without any numbers, no numbers, then you need to be alert. This moment, we can use little helper to replace. Okay, you see the first equation, no number. You see here, no number. So I will just use little helper to replace. Okay, remember, no number, little helper. All right, so now let's look at learning 2. Is that the same questions? Let's look at here. All right. So the first questions in learning 2, I will go through with you all. All right. So my first question first. Equation 1, equation 2. Do I have any equation with only one type of shape? No, right? Means that this question is not so easy. And let's look at the equation. Blue flower plus red flower equals to 12. Red flower equals to 3 blue flowers. Guys, did you notice any equation special? Which equation is very special? Which equation is very special? The second equation, very good. The second equation is very special because no number here, right? You see, in the whole equation, I don't have any number inside. It means that I can actually find a little helper. So take out your pencil. Let's circle out. Who is your little helper? Red flower, A is blue flower. B is red flower. Can you type in the chat box, A or B? Who is your little helper? A or B? Who is your little helper? Red flower, little helper, you choose B. Blue flower, little helper, you choose A. Very good. Red flower should be your little helper. Okay, let me circle it out. Okay, let me circle it out. Because red flower is stronger, right? Very strong. Okay, this is your little helper. Because he is very strong. One red flower, I can redeem 3 blue flowers. Then, the stronger one, I choose it as my little helper. So this moment, I can replace my little helper. Take out a pencil. Let's cross the red flower together. Let's cross the red flower together. Good job, B. Let's cross the red flower together. So after you cross it, I change it into how many blue? I replace it with how many blue? 3 blue, right? You don't have any color pencil. So blue start with B. So I can write down 3 blue. Okay. If you don't know how to spell blue, you can write 3B as well. 3 blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Okay. So now the first equation becomes 1 blue plus 3 blue equals to 12, which means that, this time 4 blue will equals to 12. Then each blue will equals to how many? This time division again, right? You need to equally split 12 into 4 blue flowers. So I was just looking for what times 4 equals to 12. Okay? What times 4 equals to 12? 3 times 4 equals to 12, very good. Or 12 divided by 4 equals to 3, also can. So it means the blue flower will just be 3. Okay, I changed to another color. So the blue flower will just be 3. Okay, then I label down, my blue flower is 3. Okay, my blue flower is 3. After knowing that, can you tell me what is my red flower? My red flower, second equation, equals to 3 blue. Then 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 9. Easy, right? So the final answer will be 3 and 9. Write it down, everybody. Write it down. The final answer will be 3 and 9. So always remember, for the equation with numbers, like the first equation, I will use it for calculation. And the equation without number, once you see that, you need to be alert. You need to find the little helper. Okay, let me write it down. Once you see the equation without number, you need to find the little helper. And remember, the stronger one will be the little helper. All right, the stronger one will be the little helper. All right, good job. So now try two. It's your turn. But be careful because this is very complex. I have plus and here I have minus. You see here, I have minus. So be careful and time is yours. I give you 3 minutes, time start right now. So do it until 6 o'clock. Now it's 5:57. 3 minutes, time start right now. Try it by yourself. If you're done, you give me a done. Okay, if you're done, you give me a DONE done in the chat box. If you feel hard, you can type a HARD hard to teacher India. Okay, but if you feel hard, that's okay. Okay, we will explain it later. All right. So for those who finish, careful with your calculation. Have plus, have minus. And if a equation, two sides have the same thing, what should you do? All right. Still have 2 more minutes. Hard. Done? Before class, you're already done? Okay, good. Means you memorize it well. Means you still remember what teacher taught before. Okay, good. And hard? Oh, I see some of your friends say hard. That's okay, no worries. You just try your best and we will go through it later. 1 more minute, everybody. Don't tell me the answer. Just tell me you done or hard. Okay, if you tell me the answer, then your other friends will see it. Crying face means that hard. Cry. Done? Okay, good. So hard. Done. Okay, some of your friends said so hard, super hard. Some of your friends said done. So the key point is who is your little helper? Because you find the equation without number, no numbers inside. Then little helper. Little helper. All right. Okay, so I think most of your friends finish. So everybody, okay, listen to me. Okay, listen to me. So let's go through it together. So I want to ask you the first question. First equation, second equation. Did you notice any equation without numbers? The second equation, no numbers, right? You see the whole equation, I didn't see any numbers inside. Means that I need to find a little helper. But who is your little helper? Guys, type me in the chat box. If you think the red flower is your little helper, you type A. If you think the purple flower is your little helper, you type B. A or B, everybody. Who is your little helper? A or B? A or B, everybody? Who is the little helper? Very good job. The red flower should be your little helper. You should choose A. Very good. So red flower is your little helper. Why? Because red flower is stronger. I can redeem more things. Okay, I can change it with more things. Let's see why. So first, left side I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 purple flowers equals to 1 red, 2 purple. Guys, still remember at the very beginning of the class, teacher Min just said, if the equation left side, right side, we have the same thing, what should I do? I should cancel it out, right? If left side cross a purple flower, what should I do to the right side? Right side cross 1. Left side cross 1. Right side cross 1. So it means that left side I take away 2 purple in total. Then at the right side of the equation, I also need to take away 2 purple in total. Okay. So now what do I left? I only left 1 red equals to 2 purple. Who is stronger, everybody? Definitely the red flower is stronger, right? Because I only can use 1 red to redeem 2 purple. So strong. Oh, then my red flower is my little helper. After knowing that, okay, we need to replace the little helper, right? Because we said after you use the equation without numbers to find the little helper, you need to replace. How to replace? Replace all the stronger one. Replace all the little helper. So I changed to another color. So it means that I can change in the first equation. This red flower, I changed to 2 purple. I use 2p. This red flower, I changed to 2 purple. This red flower, I changed to 2 purple. So guys, in the first equation, seems that the left side, everything become purple. So it backs to the same thing, right? In this equation, I only have 1 type of shape, which is the purple flower. Then can you calculate? Yes, I think the rest will be easy for you, right? So, but you need to be careful. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 3 or 6 purple. But 6 purple, I plus or minus behind. Minus, be careful. Here I minus another 2. So 6 purple minus 2 purple. How many purple I left? 4 purple. So I rewrite it again. 4 purple flower equals to 8. Then each purple flower will equals to how many? Each purple flower will just equals to 2. Because 2 times 4 equals to 8. Or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 8. So you know, oh, my purple flower is 2. Once you know the purple flower is 2, so you can label, oh, the purple flower is 2. Then, what about your red flowers, everybody? You remember, just now you said each red equals to 2 purple, right? So, red will just be 4. Okay, good job, everybody. Correct, give me a 1 in the chat box. Correct or understand, okay? If you're correct or you understand, you give me a 1 in the chat box, okay? If you're correct or understand, you can just type a 1 in the chat box. Okay, good. I see a lot of 1. Okay, seems that you all understand. So at this moment, we can feel, oh, it's a little bit hard, right? It's a little bit hard. Little bit hard. Okay, that's okay. So I repeat again, the second conclusion that we have today is that once you see the equation without numbers, okay? No numbers, if the equation no numbers, I write it down. No numbers, what you need to do is to find the little helper. Okay, little helper. And remember, the little helper is always the one, the shape that's stronger. Okay, the stronger one is your little helper. Okay, good. So now, let's proceed to the last part of today's lesson. The last part of today's lesson. Okay, the last part, Teacher Mingjie and Teacher Ziyan are coming. Okay, so we are going to a fast food store. We want to buy some burgers and drinks. So Teacher Mingjie buy 1 drink, 2 burgers because I can eat a lot. Then teacher, which is $25. Then Teacher Ziyan only eat less, right? Because Teacher Ziyan cannot eat so much. So Teacher Ziyan just eat 1 burger and order 1 drink, which cost her $15. Can you tell me, with these 2 information, how much for 1 drink and how much for 1 burger? This is also a shapes in equation question, right? Because first equation is that drink plus burger, or drink plus burger equals to 25. The second equation is drink plus burger directly equals to 15. So, can you tell me, first things, can you find any equation with only 1 type of shape? Can you find an equation with only 1 type of shape? No, cannot. I can't find it. And second, just now we learned little helper, right? Can you find any equation without any numbers inside? Okay, can you find any equation without any numbers inside? No numbers, right? Let's write it down again. Can you find any equation, no numbers, and want to use little helper? No numbers and little helper, can you find it? Can you find it? Also no, right? Hey, this one also no. Means that just now our conclusion doesn't work here because I cannot find any one type of shape. Also, I cannot find any equation without numbers. Both equations have number. First equation 25. Second equation I have 15. What should I do? So at here, okay, we gotta learn the most common and the very useful method to solve it, which is called find short. Okay, find a short equation in the long equation. Okay, find short in long. So what does it mean? Means that which equation is shorter? Of course, teacher Ziyan, right? Because teacher Ziyan eat less. So, this equation is actually shorter. Means that one drink, one burger equals to 15. I group it together, okay? I use a dotted line, group it together. So later, when you do the questions, you need to take out your pencil and circle it out to take it as a group, okay? Group the short equation and find the short equation in the longer one. Can you find the same group in teacher Ming's bundle? Can you find the same group in teacher Ming's bundle? Yes, I can, right? I can also find one drink, one burger in teacher Ming's bundle, which is here. Which means that, oh, this bundle, this group also 15. Okay, after knowing that, I can just replace the group that I circle with 15. Then 15 plus a burger equals 25. Can you calculate how much is the burger? This time becomes easier, right? 15 plus 10 equals 25. So my burger will just be $10. Oh, so I know my burger is $10. After knowing your burger is $10, let's look at the shorter equation. Burger is 10, then what about the drink? Burger plus drink equals to 15. Then the drink must be 5. Okay, so this method, we call it find short in long, which means that you need to find the short equation, group the short equation, and find the short equation in the longer one. Okay, so today totally we learned 3 methods. First things, easiest, you can just find the one type of shape in the equation. Second, if you cannot find and you notice there is a shape without any numbers, then you can use little helper. Lastly, if all the equation has numbers, then you need to find short in long. Okay, let's try it. Learn this 3. Okay, I think it's at the back. Next page. Okay, learn this 3. Let's look at it. Can we use find short in long here? First, once I see these questions, I notice that I have 2 equations. And do I have any equation with only one type of shape? Do I have the equation with only one type of shape? No lah, I don't have. Okay, and do I have any equation without any numbers? Do I have any equation without any numbers? Okay, so also no, right? So it means at here, I need to use find short in long again. Stop spamming the chat box, okay? Just type the answer, okay? Anything I'll ask you to answer, don't type the nonsense in the chat box. All right, find short in long, okay? Find short, otherwise I will close the chat box. Find short in long, okay? Find short in long. So we need to use find short equation in long equation at here again. So now, who is shorter? Everybody, type in the chat box. Equation 1, equation 2. Who is shorter? Who is shorter? Everybody. Equation 2 is shorter. Very good job. Equation 2 is shorter. Good. Because equation 2 is shorter, right? So I will try to group it together as a whole thing. Okay. I group them together. So take out your pencil. Let's group it together. Take out your pencil. Let's group it together. So the second equation is shorter. Then I will group the whole second equation. Then I try to find the same thing in the first equation. Can you find the same thing in the first equation? Yes, green triangle, two red circle. I find the same thing. So I will group it again. So can you tell me if this is 19, then what about the group that you circle in the first equation? Are they the same? Yes, they're the same. So it means that here it will also be 19. Okay, then green triangle plus, okay, remember it's plus. Plus 19 equals to 28. Then what is the green triangle? What plus 19 equals to 28? So let's write it down. Let's write it down. What plus 19 equals to 28? 9. Very good. 9. So it means the green triangle will just be 9. Good job. I see the answer in the chat box. Good job. So nice working. Okay, write down the working together with me. So the green triangle will be 9 as well. All right. Then after that, I will label all the green triangle as 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Then what about the red circle? I use another color. 9 plus 2 red circle equals to 19. So it means 2 red circle need to be 10 because 10 plus 9 equals to 19, right? Then each red circle will just be 5. Very good job. So each red circle will just be 5. Then I know my red circle is 5. Good. Good job. You got the answer. All right. So find short in long is a very useful method when you find that the equation all has the numbers. Then you can just find short in long and group them. All right. And group them. All right. Understand, everybody? Understand, type a 1 in the chat box. Understand, you can type a 1 in the chat box. Okay. Understood. Okay, good job. I can see a lot of 1 in the chat box. Means that you all got it. Good job. So now, find short in long. Now let's go try it 3. So try it 3 is your turn. Okay, you need to try to do it by yourself. So teacher Mingjie give you 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. And let's start. I will stop at 6:16. Okay, 3 minutes. You try to do it by yourself. What method should you use? Little helper or find short in long? Okay, let me ask you here. A, little helper. Method B, find short in long. What are you gonna use? Okay, then do it by yourself. A, little helper. B, find short in long. Okay, try to do it by yourself. All right, so choose the correct method. Can you find the equation without numbers? Can you find the equation without numbers? Oh, I see some of your friends choose A and some of your friends choose B. Okay. Let's see who's correct later. Done, everybody? Okay, so I think time's up. Okay, time's up. So let's do it together. So if you feel hard, you can also type hard in the chat box. All right, so I ask you the same question. A, little helper. B, find short in long. What should I use? The answer is B. Okay, you need to use find short in long. Why? Because remember what teacher Ming just said? I said, if you want to use little helper, right, then you must find the equation no numbers. Remember, if any equation without numbers, no numbers, you can use little helper. But here, all the equation has number, right? You see, equation 1, I have a 69 inside. Equation 2, I have a 29 inside, which means that you cannot use little helper. So I will try find short in long. So who is shorter? Who is shorter? Equation 2 is shorter, right? So take out a pencil, everybody. So let's write down the working. If equation 2 is shorter, then I will just group the whole equation 2 together. So let's do it. I group the whole equation 2 together. I group it. Group the whole equation 2, all right? So I will group the equation 2 because it is shorter. And I will try to find the same group in equation 1. So can you find it? Let's group it together. So yellow circle, triangle. Oh, I found it. Okay, let me use another color to group it. Circle, square. Okay, circle, square. It's the first one, so that is 29 because it's same as equation 2. And can you find anything else? Yes. Circle, square. Oh, here is another group, another short equation. So it is also equals to 29. Okay, so now the equation becomes 29 plus the circle plus 29 equals to 69. Can you calculate the circle this time? Yes, because this equation, I only have one shape, which is the circle, right? So I can do it. So let's try to calculate it. 29 plus 29 equals to how many? 58. So it means 58 plus the circle equals to 69. Then what is the circle, everybody? 11. Good job. So the circle will just be 11. Once you know the circle is 11, let's go back to the short equation. 2 circle 11 means 22 plus the square equals to 29. Then the square need to be 7. Very good. Because 22 plus 7 equals to 29. Okay, good job. Huh? 8? Huh? Square is 8? No lah. Okay. 11 plus 11 is 22. 22 plus 7 equals to 29. Okay. So that's how we do these questions. So remember, when you find that all the equation has the numbers, find the short in the long. Okay. So now let's continue. Okay, let's continue to the challenge. So for challenge, I have 3 equations at the same time. So I will give you 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. And you try to do it by yourself. So time start right now. So remember our 3 methods. Find 3 things, right? 1 type of shape, little helper, and find short in long. Time start right now. Time start right now. Try to do it by yourself. Can you find any equation with only 1 type of shape? All right. So you can do it right now. If you're done, you can give me a DONE, done, in the chat box. If you don't know what to do, you don't know how to do it, you can give me a heart in the chat box. Okay? If you feel hard, you can give me a heart in the chat box. Okay? Good. If you're done, you can tell me done. If you feel hard, you can also tell me hard. All right. So careful, I'm not asking you each door. I'm not asking you the elephant, not asking you the duck, not the dinosaur. I'm asking you the sum of them. The sum means you add them together, the sum of them. So I will say in Sasmo, all the question will be in this type, okay? This is Sasmo questions. Okay, this is Sasmo questions. So when you take the Sasmo maths competition, you will face the similar things. Okay, this is the Sasmo questions. So you need to be very, very familiar with your times table. Okay, done. Wow, super fast. Some of my friends done. Wow, I saw the answer already. So fast. Hard or done? Okay, time's up. Let's go through it together. So this one is easy, right? A, B, C, guys, can you tell me? Okay, let's start from A, B, C. A, one type of shape. B, little helper. C, functional in long. Where should I start, everybody? Can you find any one type of shape at these questions? One type of shape. The equation only have one shape. Can you find that? Yes, right. Yes or no? Yes. Actually, you can, right? Okay, because you see the equation 2. How many shapes in my equation 2 are? Only the dark, right? Only the dark has only the dark in equation 2. So dark times dark is not plus, huh? Dark times dark equals to 16. So what is the dark? So let's try. If you not remember that, let's try. 1 times 1 equals to 1. 2 times 2 equals to 4. 3 times 3 equals to 9. 4 times 4 equals to 16. Oh, so it means the dark should be 4. So I will start here. Because I always want to start from one type of shape. Okay, one type of shape. So it means I will start from this. It's always our rules, okay? The first rules. All right, then after you find the dark is 4, then I will immediately label all the dark as 4. Take out your pencil. Did you all label it down? All the dark, you need to label it as 4. Okay, after you label the dark as 4, so you can proceed. Okay, you can proceed to which one? Equation 1 or equation 3? Equation 1 or equation 3? Everybody. Now I should go 1 or I should go 3? 1, very good. You can type in the chat box. 1. Why equation 1? Because this moment in equation 1, I only don't know elephant. But in equation 2, I don't know elephant, I don't know dinosaur. So I will go to equation 1. Okay, what minus 4 equals to 3? 7 minus 4 equals to 3, am I right? Then I know elephant is 7. Then I will label all the elephant as 7. Okay, so this elephant 7, the dark is 4. Then lastly, I only left dinosaur. Then the dinosaur 4 times 7 equals to 28. So, hey, what happened to my pen? Okay, so 4 times 7 equals to 28. 28. Then 28 plus the dinosaur equals 31. So the dinosaur will be 3. Okay, very good. 28 plus 3 equals 31. Then the dinosaur will just be 3. Good job. 7, 4, 3. Correct. I see the answer in the chat box. Correct. Good job. So after that, I'm not looking for each of them. I'm looking for the sum, the total. So I will plus them together. 4 plus, how to make the calculation faster? 7 plus 3 equals to 10. And the lonely guy plus 4. So it equals to 14. So the answer statement, don't forget, ANS 14. Okay, the answer will just be 14. All right, that's all for shapes equation. Okay, replacement and comparison. So at a challenge level, some of your friends said challenge is so easy. Okay, I'm so glad to hear that. Because in Sasmo, usually you will all the past year questions, all the question will be in this way. Okay, we'll have 3 equation and you will have times and also plus inside. So you need to be really careful and memorize the times table well. All right, good job, everyone. So these questions are in your homework. So let's have a quick summary. So first type is that the most easiest one is that if I only see the equation with one type of shape, I can directly start from that. So for example, this one, I can see 2 apple equals to 6, then I will start here. Okay, that's my first type, and that's our basic rules. And the second type is that if in both equations I cannot find any of them, only have one type of shape, I need to find the little helper, because this equation no numbers. You see this equation, no numbers. Then I will find the little helper. Who is the little helper, everyone? Strongest or weakest? Of course, the strongest. Strongest is your little helper. Okay. Without numbers, then you're gonna replace it. Okay, replace the banana. Remember just now what did we do? And lastly, which is the most useful method, which is the find short in long, means that if both equation, no one type of shape, no type 1, no type 2, then you're gonna go for type 3. Okay, group the short one and find the short one in the longer equation. Okay, so that's all the things that we learned today. And you will have a homework, 5-question homework later. Okay, 5-question homework later. So totally, you will have 4 lessons, 4 weeks. And remember to submit your homework through the link. Okay, I will send the homework in the chat box later, in the group chat. So ask your daddy, mommy to print out the homework for you. Okay, submit your homework before Thursday. Today is Tuesday. Before Thursday means you only have 2 days to finish your homework. Okay, so good job, everybody. And that's all for today's class. It's not very hard. A warm up for you back in from your holiday. Good job, everyone. So looking forward to see you next week. And for those students in my class, see you to this weekend. All right. Bye-bye, everyone. Now you can go for your dinner. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. 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 I think it ends. You can quit. Okay, you can leave the